Hi everyone, how you doing? Today I would like to share my finding about how to use plugin effects on Studio Live Mixer as you would use native effects of a Studio Live Mixer in live situation. Um, I'm not sure whether this kind of experiment has been done before or not, but I thought it would be worth it to share it. So anyone, feel free to correct me or show me the different way of doing it. So here we go. Here I use the Studio on version 3 software and Studio Live 16.4.2 AI mixer on this demonstration. So let's do it. Right, first of all, we need to set the input setup. Yeah, the first of all, the input setup needs to be set on UC surface. Um, as you would see, we should go on to the auxiliary routing page and select the FX from A to D accordingly. As you can see, in this case, I selected input from 25 to 28. So that's how it should be done. And the next, we go on to the Studio One audio setup. Outputs. Right, let's see the inputs first. So I created 4 mono inputs accordingly as we did on the UC surface. So the effects 1, 2, 3, 4, and the inputs as we did on the auxiliary routing is from 25 to 28. So output, I used my last 2 channel of my mixer, which is 15 and 16. It has digital input button on it. So the reason I chose is this output will be act as a output of the FX return. Right, so the main output of the Studio One will be 15 and 16. As I said to you before, the output of all these effects will be 15 and 16. And you have to engage the digital input button of channel 15 and 16 of your Studio Live mixer. So therefore, effects return will send through this channel out to your main output of the Studio Live mixer. Right. And then I've set for audio channel. It can be mono or stereo. So in this case, the first 2 channel is mono, as you can see here, and the last 2 channel is stereo. And because I guessed the first 2 channel or 2 effects of the Studio Live mixer is normally sending the reverb, which is, it doesn't have to be the stereo, and effects C and D, it has the delay effects normally on, which is, it can be stereo because of the ping pong or stereo delays. So that's why I created those 4 channels, 2 of them mono and 2 of them stereo. Right. So, and then I created 4 effects channel. Each channel has 4 different plugin effects on it. So the first one is room reverb, and next one is open air, is a plate on it, and the third one, which is effects C, got ping pong delay, and effects D has beat delay. So all these effects are not really greatly suited to my voice, but I've just set them on the extreme set to make it obvious to hear it, what I'm doing now. So here we are. We got the 4 effects channel and the 4 audio channels, and each audio channels, each individual channel signals has been sent to each effects accordingly as pre-fader signals. So there's FX3, FX4, so all got to be pre-faders, right? And next, I've turned all faders all the way down because I did not want to listen any dry signal of my voice going through the channel 15 and 16, which is only the effects signals got to be through, right? So let's see what's going on the user surface. Right, sorry about this display mix-up. Right, if you see those effects now, right, first one, you can see some the signals going through, because each effects I've sent my voice through. So as you can see, every effects channel has got some signals in it, right? Right, next one, if we go back to the Studio One, so we have to engage, right, hold on, let's mute this one. We have to engage the monitor button on every audio channels, so therefore it can be heard, right? So first one, I'm going to unmute the effect A. 1, 2, 3, right? So as you would do same on the StudioLive mixer, so you using the plugin effect of the Studio One or any third-party plugin effects as a StudioLive mixer effect. So when we go back to the room effects on the effects 1, 1, 2, 3, so you can hear it now, obviously. So if you go back, mute this one, second one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So as you can hear, these effects going through the channels. So if I turn channel 15 and 16 all the way down, so you can control the output level of these effects through this channel 15 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is the main output level of your all effects, right? So let's go back to the effects. One, two, three. One, two, three. Last one. One, two, three. So all of them off. One, two, three. One, two, three. So this is how I've done. Right. Obviously, the inputs of this every audio channels will be, of course, the from FX1 to 4, as you can see it here, and output of these effect channels will be main, which is 15 and 16. That 15 and 16 digital input has been engaged on StudioLive Mixer. So here we go. That's how I did it, and hopefully it gives some people some idea. Also, it opens some the creative options, which we can put some more extra effects, or you can use the aux3 outputs, same as as you would do on the aux3 effects. So you can use this exactly same principles using the aux3 outputs to add some more effects on your board. And of course, the dry signal of your voice or whatever it is, like guitar or the keyboards, it can be heard through the StudioLive mixer, and it only effects going through the computer, through the FireWire, and return to the desk, and then you can get the same effect as you would do on the native effects of the StudioLive mixer. So also you can, as you would do on same as the StudioLive mixer, you can process the individual effects, like as a fat channels and compressors and everything. So it gives you more idea of the expanding your creativity, I guess. So hopefully it helped to you guys, and then comment if there's anything can be developed or anything needs to be done much easier way. So you're more than welcome. So that's how I did it. All right, I'm out. Thank you.